Hi, I'm Ellen Gormley and welcome to my channel.
So I have a beginning tape here, tape 1 or ribbon 1 of Bruges Lace part 1. And it's just the very basic elementary tape going on, but I want to show you the basics of the concept of how these suckers are joined. So we're going to chain with new yarn 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to skip 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and double crochet in the next chain and each of them across to the end. So you can go back and watch my other video on Introduction to Bruges Lace Part 1 to see how we made the orange one, but it's very similar to this, but this is part 2. I'm showing you how to join the blue onto the orange today. So we have tape 1, the first tape here, all done, fastened off. I'm starting new yarn, I'm starting a new tape, and when I've gotten done with row 1, when it's time to turn, I'm going to line up the chain 5 that's going to be over here with this one right here and join them. So instead of chaining 5 and turning, I'm going to chain 2, slip stitch, which becomes kind of like chain number 3, and then chain 4 and 5. So I'm still having 5. It's still the same number of spaces. I just threw a slip stitch in there. Turn the entire piece, and now I'm double crocheting in each of the double crochets on row 1 by creating row 2. Now there's nothing to join over here on this side because this is tape number 2. So I'm going to just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, turn the entire piece, lay it out, make sure it's not twisted, make sure we're going the right direction, and we'll just continue in this pattern so that they're joined. So I will skip these first 5 chains, double crochet in each of the next 4 double crochets. I want to give a shout out to subscribers Tina G, Vanessa M, and Texas of my heart. So nice of you guys to join me. Thanks so much for chiming in, tuning in, and subscribing. Now let's join again. I'll show you again. So instead of a chain 5 loop, we're replacing it with a join. And the join is splitting that chain 5 into 1, 2, slip stitch in here by inserting your hook, pulling the loop through that loop and on the loop on your hook. And then chain, this is chain number 4 and chain number 5 out of 5. And then turn the whole piece and work on the next row of double crochets. And we'll keep on building this way until your Bruges Lace tape number 2 is finished. But it gives you an idea of how to join as you go in Bruges Lace. Of course, this is just a made-up exercise right now. It's not a particular pattern. If you have a pattern, please always follow the pattern, not necessarily the basic instructions, because probably it has something fancy for you to do. But at least this gives you an understanding of how it all works, and you can do your own practice before you tackle a pattern. I've chained 2. We're joining now again. So instead of chaining 5 and turning, I actually want to join. So I've chained 2, slip stitch by inserting the hook into that loop, grabbing the working yarn, pulling it through that loop and through the loop on the hook. So it's just a slip stitch. Chain 1, 2 to make a total of 5. Are you getting that? You know what I'm saying? Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just the middle one is slip stitched. Turn the whole piece and double crochet in the remaining stitches. So this is Learn How to Bruges Lace. And if you'd like more information, the link to my book, Learn Bruges Lace, is in the description below. But it's so much fun and so addictive, and it's really so easy. It's just double crochets and chains, and I know you can do it. Thanks so much. Please like and subscribe.